If you are looking to improve your quad workouts, you've clicked on the right video. Here are 6 common quad workout mistakes which can be readily addressed by you just taking a few minutes of your time daily to implement these corrections.
You will be well on your way to see significant benefits with what I am about to reveal to you.
Hey there, wellness wavers. Are you struggling to see real progress in your quad workouts? You might be making some critical mistakes that are holding you back. Or worse, increasing your risk of injury. But don't worry, today I'm sharing the 6 most common quad workout mistakes, and it doesn't stop there. I'll also be showing you how to fix them fast. And mistake number 5? Almost everyone gets this wrong, and it could be stopping your gains completely. So, stick around to the end, because your patience will be rewarded with the valuable insights provided. No gym required. With that said, let's waste no time. First common mistake I see quite often is knees caving in. Knees caving in during squats or other quad-focused movements is something I see regularly when training. And don't worry if this happens to you because even experienced lifters can struggle with this form when doing any form of quad workouts. Valgus collapse, also refers to as knee cave, this misalignment can compromise the integrity and diminishes the effectiveness of your workout, which also puts significant, unnecessary stress on your knees. Over time, this can lead to joint pain, instability, or even serious injuries like ligament strain. Research in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy highlights that valgus collapse increases the risk of knee injuries, particularly ACL tears, during lower body exercises. The fix is straightforward. Focus on pushing your knees outward throughout the movement. A helpful cue is to ensure your knees track in line with your toes. This simple adjustment helps activate your quads and glutes, which play a critical role in stabilizing the knees. To further improve knee stability, incorporate targeted glute exercises like clamshells or lateral band walks into your routine. Strengthening these muscles will help you maintain better alignment and reduce the risk of injury. Mastering this aspect of form ensures not only safer squats, but also stronger, more balanced lower body mechanics. Next, let's talk about squat depth. Squat depth is a topic that deserves attention. Even seasoned lifters sometimes fall into the habit of going too shallow. Cutting your squats short not only limits your progress, but also robs you of full quad and glute activation. The repercussion includes reduced muscle activation, impeded strength progress, and increased the risk of muscular imbalance over time. Research in the Journal of Applied Biomechanics highlights that squatting to at least parallel, or lower, maximizes muscle recruitment, particularly in the quads and glutes. No need to worry. A simple solution is all that's needed. Just work on achieving greater depth. Aim for your thighs to be parallel or slightly below parallel to the ground. To get there, you can use tools like a sturdy chair for support or loop a resistance band around a pull-up bar for assistance. A link to get the resistance band and all other equipment you will need is listed in the description below. Additionally, addressing mobility issues in your hips or ankles is crucial. Incorporating exercises like deep hip stretches or ankle flexion drills into your warm-up routine can help you unlock a greater range of motion. Mastering squat depth isn't just about looking good in the gym, it's key to building balanced strength and avoiding setbacks in your fitness journey. Next is leaning too far forward. Ever feel like your squats are hitting your lower back more than your quads? You might be leaning too far forward. This often happens if your core isn't engaged, or if your chest drops during the movement. Focus on keeping your chest up and your core tight. Imagine you're holding a glass of water on your chest. It shouldn't spill. To practice this, try bodyweight squats in front of a mirror to monitor your posture. Adding a goblet squat to your routine can also help reinforce an upright posture because the weight naturally encourages you to stay balanced. Here's a mistake even advanced lifters fall into: overloading too soon. Adding too much weight before mastering proper form can lead to poor movement patterns, and worse, raising your chances of getting injured. The consequences of improper form and overloading can range from minor muscle strains to serious injuries like herniated discs, torn ligaments, or chronic joint pain. According to research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, rapidly increasing weights without a strong foundation and technique significantly heightens the risk of acute injuries, such as muscle tears or sprains. Similarly, the Sports Medicine Journal points out that improper load progression can lead to overuse injuries, which might not be immediately noticeable, but can result in long-term damage, like tendinitis or osteoarthritis. The fix for overloading is to simplify the approach, then strip away the complexity. Start with lighter weights, or even just your body weight. Once you've perfected your form, gradually increase resistance to challenge your muscles safely. Remember, strength comes with consistency, so there is no need to rush the process. A strong foundation will set you up for long-term gains while minimizing the chance of setbacks. Now let's tackle the mistake almost everyone gets wrong. Knee safety. Locking out your knees at the top of movements, whether it's squats, leg presses, or even lunges, can put unnecessary strain on your knee joints. You see, over time, this can lead to wear and tear on your joints, which we definitely does not need. A simple yet effective fix for this is, always remember, when performing these exercises, try to keep a slight bend in your knees at the top of each rep. This keeps tension on your muscles and not your joints. If you practice this all the time, you'll be well on your way to achieving the quad you've dreaming of. Think of it like this. Your knees are shock absorbers, not a stop sign. Keep them engaged, and your quads will do the work they're meant to do. Final mistake is ignoring warm-ups. Did you know that skipping a warm-up can be one of the common biggest mistakes? And the thing is, even experienced athletes aren't immune to it. Cold, stiff muscles are far more vulnerable to injury than anything else, and neglecting this crucial step can significantly affect your performance. The consequences can range from minor strains and reduced flexibility to more serious issues like ligament tears or joint injuries. Research highlighted in the Journal of Sports Rehabilitation underscores that skipping a warm-up increases the likelihood of acute injuries, while the British Journal of Sports Medicine reports that athletes who prioritize proper warm-ups experience fewer setbacks and improved mobility. The fix is simple. All you need to do is spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up with dynamic stretches before every workout. Moves like leg swings, bodyweight squats, or even walking lunges can prepare your muscles, joints, and nervous system for the demands ahead. Think of a warm-up as an insurance policy. It takes just a few minutes, but it pays huge dividends in injury prevention and performance. Your body, and especially your joints, will thank you in the long run. So there you have it, the 6 most common quad workout mistakes and how to fix them fast. Now it's your turn. Try these tips today and feel the difference in your next workout. We would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which mistakes surprised you the most, or share your favorite quad exercise with us. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and turn on notifications for more game-changing tips. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, welcome. Take the first step. Hit that subscribe button and check out this next video here. You won't want to miss it. And let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.